Good evening, dear students. I am Ramdas. I welcome you to my channel Maths from Basics for You. So today we are going to do some more problems on product rule. So before I start, so let's remember our funda, learn Maths from Basics. I am there to teach you Maths from Basics. So let's start. So I have written some problems. Let us take y equals sin x by cos x into log x to base 10. Sin by cos is nothing but tan theta, that is tan x. So this can be written as what? So this can be written as tan x into log x to base 10. This is our UV, isn't it? Product rule. So this is x as it is. Tan x, that is tan x we keep as it is, which implies I'll keep tan x as it is, and d by dx of log x to base 10 plus I keep this as it is, and d by dx of tan x. Here we should remember the formulae, otherwise though you know the procedure you cannot proceed. So let's do this. So this is what, here I forgot to write, sorry, that is dy by dx equals to tan x into d by dx of log x plus log x you keep as it is, differentiate of this. So this is equals to what? I keep tan x as it is, okay. Differentiation of log x to base x is 1 by x log 10 to base c, remember this, plus I keep log x to base 10 as it is. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x, that is secant square x. Therefore d by dx of, write this problem and write the answer. So don't write the same line. Next step you write therefore d by dx of this given problem is equals to, this is the answer. So anything common here? Nothing is common, so you can leave as it is. So we have finished this problem. Please make a note of this. We'll go to second problem. Then you pause this and make a note of this. So I'll rub this. Problem number 2. Y equals 5 log x to base a into x to the power of a. So this is also a simple problem, but you should remember the formula, that is formulae, otherwise you can't proceed. So let us differentiate this, that is dy by dx equals to, I'll keep this 5 log x to base a into d by dx of x to the power of a plus I keep this x to the power of a as it is, d by, I keep this 5 outside, this 5 is there, I keep this 5 outside, d by dx of log x to base a. So you should remember the formula, otherwise you are gone with the wind. Let us do this. This is nothing but 5 log x to base a d by dx of x to the power of a, that is a into x to the power of a minus 1. Remember this formula is very important. So a is similar to x to the power of n. So a into x to the power a minus 1 plus x to the power of a. I write this 5 into 5. Log x to base a is nothing but 1 by x log a to base c. So log x to base a becomes 1 by x log a to base c. So problem is over. So we'll solve this once again. So this is nothing but I take 5 common and a 5 common because 5 is everywhere. This becomes a is there. I take this a first here. A into x to the power of a minus 1 log x to base a plus 5 I have already taken. So this becomes x to the power of a one by x into 1 by log a to base c. That is nothing but d by dx of 5 log x to base a into x to the power of a equals to this. So don't write in the same line. Just for simplicity, I am just to save time and written this. But in the examination of finding this, therefore you write the problem here d by dx of this and write the answer. Repeat the answer once again. So that gives you 3 to 4 marks, provided you remember the formula. Otherwise, you will get 0. Y equals 2 to the power of x 5 log x to base 3. Okay, so very simple problem. We'll do this. So differentiation of this is what? Dy by dx equals to, I'll keep this 2 to the power of x as it is, d by dx of, I'll take this 5 else outside, I take this 5 into 5 d by dx of log x to base 3 plus, I repeat this, 5 log x to base 3 into d by dx of 2 to the power of x. Very simple problem. So we know this, that is, I take this 5 outside, 5 into 2 to the power of x, this is 1 by x log 3 to base c. If you differentiate this, log x to base 3 is 1 by x log 3 to the base e plus 5 into log x to base 3, this is 2 to the power of x, that is 2 to the power of x as it is log 2 to base c. Remember this, very important relation. So 2 into, that is 2 to the power of x into log 2 to base c. Don't write again x here. If you write x here, your problem is gone. So 5 is common, and take this 5 outside, and 2 to the power of x also is common, and take 2 to the power of x also common. I'll write this, I'll do like this, 2 to the power of x into 5, done, 1 by x log 3 to base c plus 5 I have already taken, that becomes log x to base 3, 2 also I have taken outside, that becomes log 2 to base e. Therefore, you write this next line, repeat the question, therefore d by dx of this is equal to next line you read, but here for the sake of saving time, I am writing therefore d by dx of 2 to the power of x 5 log x to base 3 equals to this. This is the answer. Y equals 2 to the power of log x to base 2 into log x to base x. Dy by dx equals to, I keep this 2 into log x to base 2 as it is, differentiate d by dx of log x to x plus this is log x to x, and d by dx of 2 to the power of log x to base 2. So this is a good problem, provided you know the formulae, otherwise no. So we know this, we keep this 2 to the power of log x to base 2 as it is, differentiate d by dx of x to base x is nothing but what? 1. So this becomes d by dx of 1. D by, that is log x to x is nothing but d by dx of 1 plus log x to x as it is. So this we know that here I'll teach you this. We know that to the power of log n to a equals to n. Therefore here what happens here? So this becomes what? D by dx of x, because of this relation. So here this is equals to 2 to the power of log x to base 2, d by dx of a constant is 0, so this becomes 0 into 0 plus log x to base x, d by dx of x is 1. So this entire thing becomes again 0, because you multiply anything by 0, it's 0. So the answer is log x to base x. Therefore d by dx of 2 to the power of log x to x into to 2, sorry, this is 2 to the power of 2, d by dx of 2 to the power of log x to base 2 into log x to x equals to this answer, to the power of 3 log x to base 2 into e to the power of 3 log x. So in the examination, if nothing is given, log x, base is missing here, you can add this as e, because there is nothing but natural log. So nothing is mentioned, that is to base e. So let us take this dy by dx equals to, keep as it is this function 3 log x to base 2 into d by dx of e to the power of 3 log x to base e plus e to the power of 3 log x to base e into d by dx of 2 to the power of 3 log x to base 2. This is the previous problem, we have done it. So it's a repeat, we shall think about it. We shall do it once again, no issues. So this is nothing but 2 to the power of 3 log x to base 2 d by dx of e to the power of log x cube to base e plus e to the power of 3 log x to base e. This becomes what? D by dx of d by dx of x cube, since 2 to the power of, since log x cube. So this becomes 2 to the power d by dx of 2 to the power log x cube, because a to the power log n to base a equals to n. Using this relation, it becomes this. So next step, this is equals to 2 to the power of 3 log x to base 2. This is nothing but d by dx of, it becomes x cube. dx of e to the log x cube to base e becomes x cube plus e to the power of 3 log d by dx of this becomes x cube, because of using this relation. So 2 to the power of 3 log x base 2 d by dx of x cube is 3x square into 3x square plus e to the power of 3 log x to base c. Again this becomes d by dx of this becomes 3x square. So what is common here? Three x square is common. I'll take that. 3x square I'll take common. That becomes 2 to the power of 3 log x to base 2 plus e to the power of 3 log s to base c. Therefore d by dx of 2 to the power 3 log x to base 2 into e to the power of 3 log x to base c equals to 3x square. 2 to the power of 3 log x to base 2 plus e to the power of 3 log x to base c. This is the required answer. Y equals 5 log x to base a into 2x plus 3 whole to the power 4. So differentiating this, dy by dx equals to what? First keep this as it is, 5 log x to base a into d by dx of 2x plus 4, 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 4 plus, I'll keep this as it is, 2x plus 4 into d by dx of, I take this 5 outside, 5 into d by dx of 2 log x to base a. Log x to base a. So let's differentiate this. So this becomes what? 5 log x to base a. Differentiation, this is ax plus b to the power of n. So that is 4 into 2x plus 3, that is 4 minus 1 into d by dx, I take this 2 also, d by dx of 2x, d by dx of 3 is 0, let's forget it. So 2x plus 4, here you have one 4, so 5. Differentiation of log x to base a is what? 1 by x log a to base c. I'll add a bracket here. Okay, no need. So this becomes what? 4 into 5. This becomes 20 log x to base a into 2x plus 3. This becomes 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. D by dx of 2x is 2, because 2 I'll take it outside. D by dx of x is 1, that is d by the 2 I'll take it outside of x, that becomes 2 into 1, that becomes 2, that's a 2 here. And if you want, I'll add a bracket. So plus this becomes 2x plus 4 whole to the power of 4. This is 5 by x log a to base c. Close the answer bracket. So again 2 into 20 is 40. I'll write this 40 into 2x plus 3 the whole cube log x to base a, plus I take this 5 outside, 5 I write this also here, this becomes x log a to base c into 2x plus 3. Please make this as 3. Where have I put? Three whole to the power 4. This is a required answer. Therefore, I'll rub this. So write, therefore d by dx of this problem equals to, and this is the answer. So y equals 5 to the power of x into 1 by cos x. So here, if you notice, this problem is very simple but little misleading. So we don't know what is the d by dx of 1 by cos x. So in the examination, without thinking, you may just wondering how to differentiate this, but it's very simple if you provide it, if you use your mind. See, what is the reciprocal of 1 by cos x? Of secant x. So this is into secant x. So now this is our y. Now it is easy to differentiate because we know what is the d by dx of secant x. So what is d by dx of secant x? So we'll differentiate this. Dy by dx equals to, I write 5 to the power of x as it is, d by dx of secant x plus I write secant x as it is, d by dx of 5 to the power of x. right? So we know that is equals to 5 to the power of x. What is d by dx of secant x? If we differentiate secant x, we get secant x into tan x. Tan x plus secant x into d by dx of x is, that is 5 by x log 5 to base c. So what is common here? Common is secant x is common, 5x, that is equals to, right, 5x into secant x should take common. So we are left with tan x plus log 5 to base c. Therefore, d by dx of dx of 5 to the power of x by 1 by cos x equals to this. This is the answer. Y equals e to the power of minus 3x into cosecant x, e to the power of minus 3x. So dy by dx equals to e to the power of minus 3x d by dx of cosecant x plus, I'll write cosecant x d by dx of e to the power of minus 3x. So this becomes what? E to the power of minus 3x. If you differentiate cosecant x, what happens? We get minus cosecant x into cot x. That becomes minus cosecant x into cot x plus, I'll write this becomes cosecant x d by dx of e to the power of minus 3x. Remember this. So it becomes e to the power of minus 3x into minus 3. So you have minus 3, so it becomes minus 3. If it was plus, it should have been plus, since we have this. So we remove this bracket. So what is common there? So this becomes what? E to the power of minus 3x. I'll take this minus value outside. We have a minus value here. That is minus value into cosecant x cot x plus, we have a minus sign here, minus into plus, minus 3 into cosecant x into e to the power of minus 3x minus e to the power of minus 3x into 3 plus cot x. See, minus into 3, minus 3, minus into plus, minus cot x. So we have got by the answer. Therefore, d by dx of e to the power of minus 3x into cosecant x equals to what? Minus e to the power of minus 3x cosecant x into 3 plus cot x. This is a required answer. Before I conclude, I request you to like my video, share my video, and to subscribe to my channel, because this will help me to put more videos so that you will be aware of my videos. And let's say goodbye, good night, and take care. God bless you, students.